with Photonic Therapy Institute, and this is Dancing Danny. Danny is a 12-year-old cardigan corgi. She's had many babies and is the dam and grand dam of national and international champions. That's, you know it, look, she's a filthy old ranch dog now. But she's going to be our demo dog today for looking at one of my favorite points on dogs for working with photopuncture. This is large intestine 11, and whether we're lighting up a dog or a horse or a human, it's a great point to know how to get to for helping to regulate large intestine and stomach issues. So really great if you're thinking diarrhea. And I know any of us who have dogs, and especially puppies or dogs that get into something they shouldn't have eaten, squirting diarrhea can be an issue to have to deal with. This is a great point for that. So large intestine 11, on us, you're going to fold your arm and you're going to come right here to the crook of the elbow. So it's this little mound right there at the corner of that joint. Same thing with the dogs. Come on, Danny, stand back up. Good girl. We're going to come in and find this point by coming to the front leg, bending the elbow, and just right there where your finger falls into that spot, that's large intestine 11. So we grab our torch. We don't even have to look. We can just put our torch right there in the corner and hold that there for 15 to 30 seconds. If the dog wants to lay down, that's fine. You can just keep holding it there, right there on that corner. This is great on dogs, cats, children, babies. Anytime you've got diarrhea, you try to settle that intestine back down, re-regulate water retention in the intestines. It's a great point for that, okay? And then we come over and we do the other side. Come here, Danny. Oh, come on, we have to show everybody how to do this. So I'm going to get her front leg, come up, bend it, and put my torch right there on the fold. She doesn't have diarrhea, but she could benefit just the same from having a little bit of extra energy down the large intestine meridian. This is a really powerful point. It's part of our health and balance points on humans for a good reason. And that's all there is to large intestine 11. Now this helps with a lot of things. Helps to expel damp heat. It's good for menstrual issues. It's good for any time, even constipation, when you need to rebalance what's going on in the intestines. And it's one of those points where it can't hurt and it can always help. No large intestine 11, it's a master point, something you should have in your arsenal to go to, all right? If you want to know more about using points for dogs especially, our Light Therapy for Animals course is available now. It's $349. That takes you through how to assess your dog to find out where it's out of balance. You can use the assessment on dogs or cats or any quadruped animal. It also takes you through how to start using your lights and provides charts for learning where to put your lights for everything from hip dysplasia to allergies, okay? And it's available in our Christmas special. You can get our kit, which is a combo of that class, as well as our Power Red torch kit, which is one red and one red plus torch. Normally that's $7.99 altogether, so a big discount on the class. For the holiday special, it's only $6.99. All you have to do is use the promo code PTI Holiday in all caps, and you save $100. Thanks so much. Talk to you next week. Bye-bye.